so much, Safa, for coming. All right then. So I will talk about. I will ask about books for you. Safa, do you have any favorite book? Favorite book?
My favorite book is okay because I not really often to read books, so my favorite book is novel.
Mm-mm.
It's a novel and some motivational book that's not really heavy. I mean the language is not really heavy.
Mm-mm. Like, what is that?
Okay, for the title itself, the motivational book one is Insecurity is my middle name.
Mm. So that's you love like that book.
Yes.
Alright, then when you usually read that book?
Okay, for read, I usually read that when I feel, of course, when I feel insecure, like when I feel down. So I read that to motivate me to become better and for make me rise from my failure. Failure, I mean.
So, do you like read the book in the bed or something?
Yes, I like read book in bed.
Do you bring it right now?
No,
No, in your home?
in my dormitory.
I mean that's an idea.
Yes.
All right. So you like to read the book, some of the book that maybe not is not really hard or something, right?
Yes.
Okay. So is it? It means it's paper books.
What the meaning of paper books?
It's like basically books. You know, this day there are ebooks and paper
Oh,
books.
yes.
You know?
I love to read paper books.
All right. So you do you have any like ebooks in your maybe laptop or maybe your device?
No, I not really like to read ebook because yeah, as you know, as we know that device has radiasi, how to say it in English, I don't know, radiasi, and I'm not feel really comfortable when I read some books in device.
Okay. So you prefer just paper books, right?
Yes.
In your opinion, how will ebook affect paper books? Because nowadays the people, because of the flexibility, they just choose ebook than paper book.
Okay, so for in my opinion, in my perspective, in my point of view, that maybe ebooks is not really affect um, the paper books because it depends on people comfortable because maybe some people love to read ebooks because of it's easy to access and we don't have to go to bookstore like Gramedia or etc. But some people love to read paper books because it's offline, of course, no need internet. You don't have to need internet, but maybe yes, you have to um, pay it more expensive than an ebook. But yeah, the plus is you more comfortable to read it. So
Okay.
it's,
So what do you feel? But have you ever read ebooks? No.
actually ever, but not really often. I read that. The last time I read ebook is I think when elementary school, and that's
Okay.
I read novel.
Okay. So do you know right now so many books that it's convert to convert to movie.
Oh,
You know, like the books and then the people make it as a movie.
yes, I
You know, right?
yes.
Right. Have you ever read the books that in the next in the future that become a movie?
I haven't read that. I
You
haven't
haven't
read
read it?
any book that it's adapted to movie. I haven't.
But have you ever watched the movies that's from the book?
Haven't too.
You don't haven't you
Cause I
don't have you watched Harry Potter?
no,
No.
because I don't really like to watch movie or something that have long duration.
All right. So, uh, do you like watch? Sometimes, movies and also book is the same, but different media, right?
Right.
For telling a story.
Yes.
So, do you know how? What is the difference between films and or movie and books?
Okay, so for books itself, we it's like watching, of course, like watching film, but in our imaginary, like in our imagination, like we that we read it just text, but what in our mind, what in our brain is um, what the story, the visual of the story. But if film, if movie, it's the real visual, so we don't need to read anything. We just watching um, and it's show as a visual, as an animation or maybe a live action like that. Okay, and another difference between both of them is if book, maybe some people have different imagination, like maybe some people, for example, like when we watch, when we read some fantasy book, maybe for me, maybe I think it's in field that have many tulips, many flowers, and maybe you think that when you read some text, maybe you feel that the flower field is not really, it's not really colorful or something, and etc. But if movie itself, we watch it and we have some imagination about that. Maybe the difference is just what we get from the visual. That's it.
I see then. So you mean that the difference is a lot of visual and
Yes.
also something, right? So we are talking a lot of books in the modern era. So let me know about your knowledge about the traditional literature in your country, especially. What is it? One example? Could you please tell me your
Traditional
example?
literature.
Give me example. One example of traditional literature in your country.
Okay, so before I answer, I'm sorry. What is traditional literature? It's like sejarah,
It
history.
can be, or maybe like the story from some village or something,
Like in Indonesia is cerita rakyat like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can
Okay,
be.
so for traditional literature in Indonesia, okay, I have read some of them, like, but if in Jakarta itself, I forget what I have read, but in some, in outside Jakarta, maybe I read, you know the sejarah of the history of Candi Prambanan.
I know.
Yes, the Bandung Bondowoso and Roro Jonggrang, as I remember. It's like their love story. And beside that, I read story about, I forget it's read or watching, but it's about what ya? About ini Danau Toba. That's it. That I remember that I have read.
All right. So you know a lot of that story in
Yes.
your country, right? So or maybe do you like reading the traditional? Do you like reading traditional literature of your country? Maybe it's you. Maybe that story that you mentioned before is you know it because the people talking about it, or maybe sometimes also the people watch that movie from the television. But what about the book? Have you ever watched? Have you ever read the book about traditional literature?
For read the book, the specific book about traditional literature, I haven't read, but I read it at in Indonesian language, like modul Indonesian language, that that in bahasa Indonesia. Bahasa Indonesia in modul is there is material about story about traditional literature, so I love to read in that part, such as in maybe for the example or maybe the question like that. I read in there.
Alright, and so you know a lot. Yeah, at least you know about traditional literature in your country, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Safa. You can go to outside and then please call your friends.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Thank you.